no power or water in some communities, many business owners in St. Elizabeth have had to scale back operations drastically as they try to make ends meet after Hurricane Beryl. And as looters continue their rampage in some communities, business operators are hoping the services will be restored soon. But others have found innovative ways for their businesses to thrive in times of crisis. Hurricane Beryl is long gone, but these business owners in St. Elizabeth are just starting to feel the ripple effects of the hurricane. With no electricity or water, small businesses are on the brink of collapse.
We have chicken in there, we have goat meat and stuff, but normally we'd cook them 3 different meat at daytime. No, we can only do the one.
Delivon Patrick says he was only able to keep 1 of his 4 workers at this restaurant and bar. And even as he scaled back operations, sustaining a few appliances with a generator is hard.
8,000 watt, where I use and run the freezers and things for this shop. At 6-hour period, right, it costs me like $6,000 for the gas. You understand me? For just keep it running. So right now, since the current gone, we gone almost $70,000 just in gas.
Whoa.
And since yesterday we opened, and I don't think I sell $10,000 worth of anything yet.
A few miles from Mr. Patrick's shop, Christine Ebanks operates a small restaurant. However, for the past week,
no business, and because the tap is gone, they go inside and take all the things. I don't even know where to start from. It's really a big setback.
But what's misery for some means more money for others. Solar-powered fans for sale in Pedro Plains, St. Elizabeth. Perfect for a hot day as people try to beat the heat.
You can put these in the sun and leave the panel up here for as long as you want. But this have a turn. Plug it in here to keep it charged. And when it done charge, you can go and sit here. Can use running.
We were told for months the fans were rejected by customers, but now in the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl, they are the hot ticket on the market.
Well, them say stupidness. Them say no, make no use to them to buy solar phone and they have current heat and this. And now the storm gone, come, everybody rushing for them.
In the space of a week, the business owners have sold not hundreds, but thousands of these fans.
They had over 7,000.
Yeah, and these we have left now. Everything
and that was between last week and this week is sold out.
Yeah, last week and this week is sold out.
So you had about 5 here, and so these are all sold out?
Yeah, these are all sold out. We distribute to Junction, and Huawei Supermarket, and all of these finish the same way. I think to Santa Cruz and up in Spalding.
In the meantime, water and electricity are slowly returning to some of the affected communities in the parish. However, it is left to be seen when all of the JPS's customers in the parish will get back on the grid.